Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how you recover a deleted item in Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see here, can see all of my recent files under suggested. Here I can see all my folders where my files are grouped, and if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all the files that I have in my drive that aren't grouped in any folder. So guys, let's go back up, and as you can see now, I can look at the left side of the screen and see all the options that I have for viewing my files. I can see my drive, I can see my share files, recent, and so on. And guys, you will want to remember this option right here called trash because we will be needing it. But first guys, let's go ahead and delete any file that we want. Let's say you have deleted file. I'm going to go ahead and now delete a file by right clicking it and click on remove. And after removing guys, after deleting a file, now this file will be located in this trash option. So let's go ahead and open it. As you can see now, after opening up trash, I can find the files that I have deleted. And now all I have to do guys, to be able to recover the file, is just go ahead and click the three dots right here in the upper right corner of the file. Click on the three dots and then you can click this option right here called restore. Go ahead guys and click on restore. And now we have successfully restored our file. We can go back to your drive and that file will be back in our files right here and we will be able to access it again. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.